We're looking today at the low hanging fruit, the how. These are just practical things that we do every day. These are practical tools that you have at your fingertips. The very best thing about AI is that you don't have to master it to benefit from it. Now, we can start with one simple task like drafting emails, summarizing your meetings, creating your social media posts. You have ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Microsoft Copilot. There's so many that we do have out there. And once you utilize these tools in your everyday life, small wins can help you save hours every single week doing your everyday task. And then this is going to give you more time to focus on your growing business. I'm going to go in depth on how these tools work in future videos so you can follow for part 3.